Hi, everybody. I'm Lee, the founder of ChatterHigh. I had a call with a teacher the other day when I was demoing our ChatterHigh.io site to her, and she was asking me a question about a career path or a career that one of her students was interested in, and how would I find out the information about, where to go and study for this really interesting career? And the career was uh, alternate dispute resolution. This student wanted to do alternate dispute resolution. Well, how do you find out where to go study that? So while we were on the call, I brought up LinkedIn, which I'm going to do right now. And if you don't know LinkedIn, it is a massive global social media site for professionals. And everybody who creates an account typically creates a job title. And it's like an online resume, but it's just got lots of social functions. So this is a really quick example of sort of a neat way to figure out where you can study or who you can work for. So you can see I've already typed this in. So you search alternate dispute resolution. And LinkedIn is smart. It knows where I live, and it's going to kind of show me people that are in the neighborhood, so to speak, that have this job. And so here's somebody. I can see alternate dispute resolution facilitator. So I'm just clicking on her name, and I can see her title and some things like that. And I can go back and look at her jobs. And this will give me clues around what that career path could look like. So she was in human resources. They're still in human resources, and I could read her descriptions. This looks like someone who really knows what they're doing. Senior negotiator, Government of Canada. And here, this is where she went to school. She went to the British Columbia Institute of Technology. She did a human resources program, and the Justice Institute of British Columbia, which had a really specific certificate in conflict resolution. So LinkedIn is a great resource for getting clues around where you could study or what kind of job or career path people have had who have that career now that you're interested in. So I hope that helps, and happy exploring.